Now this illustration deals with bonding other enclosures and general usage terms in accordance with 250.96A. Now notice, starting from the service weatherhead on the supply side, all the way down, we have everything bonded and grounded in accordance with 250.70A through C, 90.2B5, as well as 230.66. All of our grounding and bonding is proper at the service equipment. Now on the load side, where you have the overcurrent device ahead of the conductors, then notice we have rigid metal conduit with threaded couplings. We have 2 lock nuts and a bushing at the disconnecting means on the line and load side, and it's continuous. We haven't interrupted the grounding procedure using rigid metal conduit in any way. Now we could also go to 250.118 of the code and put an equipment ground in inside the rigid metal conduit, and that's kind of, to me, a redundant ground. If we start losing connections, the equipment ground would pull what the raceway system would not pull. So this figure 16-98 is illustrating the bonding of other enclosures in accordance with 250.96A. In this case, using metal raceways with threaded devices such as lock nuts and bushings, bonding it in properly is required by 250.96A.